Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing? Today, I'm going to talk about Monet. A lot of Christian has been asking to me about Monet. Like, how much money you can make in Monet? Do you really make money in Monet? Is Monet a pyramid scam? I'm going to answer all those questions in a few minutes. My name is Kasonari Sil, owner of Kasonari Store and Monet Market Partner. Is Monet a pyramid scam? Let me tell you. Any company who selling products, who has their own products, cannot be a pyramid scheme because pyramid scheme doesn't sell products. And the IRS know that. Monet is not a pyramid scheme because they have their own products, they have their own line, they sell their own products. That means Monet cannot be a pyramid scheme. Secondly, do you really make money in Monet? How can we make money in Monet? Let me share my screen with you. Okay, how do you get paid in Monet? At first, let's define some important term. Like Monet. What is Monet? Monet means modern nature. Monet is a company that's selling organic products. That means products that has made from fruit and vegetable. We have VIP. A Monet VIP customer is somebody who has the privilege of purchasing Monet products at a lower price and some other advantages. And we have MP. MP stands for Market Partner. Our market partner is somebody who is doing business with Monet. He's a third party who promoting and selling Monet products and get paid by commission. We have retail customer. Our retail customer is a customer who purchase Monet products at its full price. And we have PV. PV stands for personal volume. It's all the points or all the volume that you accumulate when you or your retails or VIP customer purchase from your website. Every time you purchase something from your website, every time somebody else purchase something from your website, whether it's a retail customer or VIP customer, a lot of points has been accumulated for you. And at the end of the day, those points will convert in money and you will get paid for them. Now we have GV. GV stands for group volume. It's all the volume you accumulate from your personal volume plus your downline volume, except managing market partner and above. That means all your personal volume plus all your downline volume. Every time one of your downline purchase something from the website, or when somebody else purchase something from your downline website, all those points is accumulated for you too, and you get paid for them. We call that GV or group volume. And we have DV. DV stands for downline volume. It's your personal volume plus all your downline volume without exception. Now, the difference between GV and DV, GV is your personal volume plus your downline volume. But when your downlines reach the level of managing market partner, they no longer are part of your GV. But for DV, no matter the promotion, they will always be on your DV. That's the difference between DV and GV. Okay, let's continue. Let's go back to our subject. How do you get paid in Monet? In Monet, you get paid 5 times a month, and you get paid 5 times a month. That's when you get paid every Friday, and you get paid every 15th of the month, depend of your effort. I say depend of your effort because in Monet, you don't have a salary. You get paid depend of the result, even of the work that you put on. Uh, you get paid 25% on all your VIP customers. Every time your VIP customer go to your website and purchase something, you get paid 25% of the amount of money your VIPs purchase from your website. And you get 40% on all your retail customer. Every time somebody that's not your VIP purchase from your website, you got 40% on the amount of the money the person purchased from your website. Now, we've got Money Borrowed. What is Money Borrowed? Money Borrowed is when you accomplish 3 blocks in a period of your first 3 months you getting into the business. Is when you accomplish 3 blocks in a period of your first 3 months you getting in the business. Now, you will ask me, what is a block? A block is composed of 4 VIP and 1 MP. Every time you recruit 4 VIP, Monet will pay you $60. Every time you recruit 1 MP, Monet will pay you $50. But every time you accomplish 4 VIP and 1 MP, they call it 1 block. When that's happened, instead of pay you $50 for 1 MP, Monet will pay you $150 because you accomplish 1 block. Firstly, $60 for 4 VIP plus $150 for 1 MP, that give you an amount of $210. That means every time you accomplish 1 block, Monet will pay you $210. But when you accomplish 3 blocks, that will give you 3 times $210. That will equal $630. But if you accomplish those 3 blocks in a period of your first 3 months you join the business, Monet will give you a bonus of $500 because you accomplish it on your first 3 months you join the business. Firstly, you accomplish $630 because you has made 3 blocks. Now, Monet give you $500 because you do it in your first 3 months. When you do $630 plus $500, that give you an amount of $1,130. That means when you accomplish the Monet Borrowed, Monet will pay you $1,130. We call that a Smart Start or Monet Borrowed. That's one of the way you get paid in Monet. But it's only for your first 3 months. You're supposed to accomplish it for the first 3 months you join the business. Now, let's talk about promotion. There are 10 promotions in Monet, and you get paid depend of your promotion. The higher promotion you get, the more money you will get paid. When you first join the business, you are an MP or you are a market partner. That's when you just join the business. Your PV will be 200 and Monet will pay you $87.60. Just because you join the business, because you're a market partner, Monet will pay you $87.16. Now, let's see when you get the first promotion. The first promotion called Managing Market Partner. Now, you're no longer a market partner, but you become a Managing Market Partner. How to become a Managing Market Partner? To become a Managing Market Partner, you only need 2 active lines. 2 active lines. That means you need 2 downline. But those 2 downline supposed to be somebody that come to the business that active, that's recruit others people, that's selling products, that promote products. It's not somebody that will just come to the business just for coming, just for nothing. It's 2 active line. And when that's happened, your PV supposed to be 300 and your GV supposed to be 1,200. And when that's happened, Monet will reward you an amount of $418.13. But if you accomplish your first promotion in a period of your first 3 months you join the business, Monet will give you a rank advancement bonus of $100 just because you accomplish it in your first 3 months you join the business. That will give, at first, Monet give you a reward of $418.13, and then they give you a rank advancement bonus of $100. That give you a total of $518.13 for the first promotion. Now let's see the second promotion. The second promotion is called Associate Market Partner. Now, how to become an Associate Market Partner? To become an Associate Market Partner, you only need 3 active lines. That means when you was a managing market partner, you needed only 2 active lines. That means you only need 1 more line to add to those 2 active lines to have 3 active lines. And then you will become an associate market partner. And your PV supposed to be 400, your GV supposed to be 2,400. And when that's happened, Monet will reward you of $793.07. And if you reach the second promotion in a period of your first 4 months you join the business, Monet will give you a rank advancement bonus of $100 just because you accomplish it in your first 4 months you join the business. Firstly, your reward was $793.07 plus a rank advancement bonus of $100. That will give you a total of $893.07 for the second promotion. Now let's see the third promotion. The third promotion is Market Builder or MB. Now, how to become a market builder? To become a market builder, you still need only 4 active lines. But one of your active lines supposed to be an MMP or a managing market partner. That means you got 4 active lines. One of your active lines supposed to take the first promotion. That will make him a managing market partner. When that happens, you will become a market builder. But your PV supposed to equal 500, your GV supposed to be 4,000, and when that happens, Monet will reward you of $1,009.20. And if you accomplish the third promotion, or if you become a managing market builder in your first 5 months you get into the business, Monet will give you a rank advancement bonus of $150. That will give you a total of $1,159.20 just for the third promotion. Now let's see the fourth promotion. The fourth promotion is called Managing Market Builder. Now, to become a Managing Market Builder, you need 4 active lines. But in those 4 active lines, you're supposed to have 2 managing market partners. That means 2 of your 4 active lines supposed to take the first promotion. And when that's happened, you will become a managing market builder. Your PV supposed to be 500, your GV supposed to be 5,000. And when that's happened, Monet will reward you of $1,602.33 for the fourth promotion. We continue. Now we're on the fifth promotion. They call it Associate Market Mentor or AMM. To become an Associate Market Mentor, you need 4 active lines. But in those 4 active lines, you're supposed to have 1 MMP or 1 managing market partner and 1 MMB, that is managing market builder. Your PV is supposed to be 500, your GV is supposed to be 5,000, And when you accomplish that, Monat will reward you $2,542.75 for the fifth promotion. Now, this is what everybody is waiting. This is the more exciting or the more interesting promotion. Is the sixth promotion. I'm going to explain you why is the most interesting one. To become at first, the sixth promotion is called Market Mentor. To become a Market Mentor or MM, that's been Market Mentor, you're supposed to have 4 active lines. But in your 4 active line, 2 of them supposed to be an MMB. An MMB, that's mean Managing Market Builder. You're supposed to have 2 Managing Market Builder on your 4 active line. When that's happened, your PV is supposed to be 500, your GV is supposed to be 7,000, and your DV supposed to be 30,000. And when you accomplish that, Monat will give you a reward of $4,907.85. And more Monat, you will be qualified for an annual vacation. That means each year you will be qualified to go to vacation. Everything will be taken care of by Monat. Your ticket, your hotel, your food, drink, everything will be taken care of by Monat. It's like you go to vacation for free, but you're supposed to reach the 6th promotion, that is Market Mentor. And Monat will give you a Cadillac, the last Cadillac, the new Cadillac. Monat will give it to you. That means when you reach the 6th promotion, when you become a Market Mentor, Monat say, now in this level, you represent me. That means you represent Monat. Because you represent Monat, Monat doesn't want you to be in a certain way. Monat give you a Cadillac because now you represent Monat. You know, you qualify to drive the last Cadillac. That's so interesting. I can wait to get there. Yeah. Now let's see the 7th promotion. They call it Managing Market Mentor or MMM. How to become a Managing Market Mentor? To become a Managing Market Mentor, you still need 4 active lines, but one of them supposed to be an MMB, that is Managing Market Builder, and you're supposed to have 2 AMM, that is Associate Market Mentor. Your PV is supposed to be 500, your GV or group volume supposed to be 7,000, and your DV supposed to be 60,000. And when you accomplish that, Monat will reward you $18,744.78 because you accomplish the 7th promotion. Now we continue. We're on the 8th promotion. We call the 8th promotion Associate Executive Director or AED. How to become an Associate Executive Director? You only need 3 MMB lines. That means on your down lines, you're supposed to have 3 MMB. That means 3 Managing Market Builder, and 2 MM. That means 2 Market Mentor. When you do that, your PV is supposed to be 500, your GV is supposed to be 7,000, and your DV is supposed to be 120,000. And when you accomplish that, but at first, one of your MMB suppose, how can I say that? One of your downline supposed to become MMB in his first 12 months he joined the business. That means on all your downlines, one of your downlines supposed to reach to take the first promotion. It's not the first promotion. Supposed to reach Managing Market Builder on his first year or on his first 12 months he joined the business. And when you accomplish that, Monat will reward you of $18,744.78. Keep pushing. Now we have the 9th promotion. The ninth promotion is called Executive Director or ED. To become an executive director, you're supposed to have 4 managing market builder on your downline and 2 managing market mentor. Your PV supposed to be 500, your GV supposed to be 7,000, and your DV supposed to be 300,000. And when you accomplish that, Monet will reward you of $34,192.20. Now we're on the 10th promotion or the last promotion, that is Senior Executive Director or SED. To become a Senior Executive Director, you're supposed to have 6 MMB on your downline and 2 AED. 6 MMB, that means 6 Managing Market Builder and 2 Associate Executive Director. And to accomplish that, when you accomplish that, one of your Managing Market Builder one of your downline supposed to become a Managing Market Builder on his first 12 months he joined the business. And your PV supposed to be 500, your GV supposed to be 7,000, and your DV supposed to be 800,000. When you accomplish that, Monet will reward you Monet will reward you of $107,000, 107 and 700. Oh, okay, let me rephrase it. Monet will reward you of $107,705.07 for the 10th promotion. That means in Monet, you get paid different way. You get paid by promotion. Each promotion has its reward. You get paid every time you bring somebody in the business as a market partner. You get paid every time you recruit somebody for VIP customer. You get paid every time somebody buy from your website. You get paid every time your downline purchase something from your website, from their website, because they are your downline. You accumulate points when somebody else purchase from your downline website because they are your downline. That means there's different way you can get paid or you will get paid in Monet. Thank you for watching this video. If anybody want to be a part of Monet, or if you have any question, you can always call me or text me. My email is info@casonarestore.com, and my phone number is 347-954-8927. Call me and talk to me, ask me any question that you want about Monet. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.